Hello! So today we're going to test out this product. It's a hair product. I usually don't do this kind of content, but if you wanted to see, this is pomade from Reauzel, Dutch, Holland, and it is one called Heavy Hold, the pink one. I usually have a hard time when my hair is a bit long, you see, taming it and keeping it in control. Usually it kind of falls in love with my face and wants to go forward, and I like to have sort of a slick back haircut. So this on its own will do just fine. If you want it, if you have a more coarser hair than I do, more resilient hair than I do, hair that is more annoying than mine, hard to tame, I sometimes use this when I have the time in the mornings, from Mr. Bear family, sea salts, and it is actually sort of a pre-styling, I don't know what to call it. It's not a gel, it's not a yeah, but it has contents like witch hazel and good properties for pre-styling your hair to make it suitable to get that look you want. I usually use about 7 pumps around, and then I comb my hair in the direction I want it and leave it. I leave it for about an hour because I use it when I get up in the morning, and leave it in there, and then I put this in. I go make breakfast for everyone in the family, prepare myself, have some breakfast, come up, do the style, ready to go. Pomade is a nice addition. It does not, come out that easily, but it's also made of stuff that's actually not bad for your skin and bad for you, so it's actually a good product. I've had this for quite a while. You don't need a lot. It's affordable compared to how long it lasts. I will use a thumbnail size like this and put it in the palm of my hand like that, perhaps slightly a bit more, there you go, because I have no product in right now and no pre-styling or anything. So there it is, and I'll just apply it to the hands, equal it out, spread it out so it's in here, and then I'll warm it up by rubbing my hands, making it warm. You can feel it on your fingers when it gets warm. Oh yeah, that's good. It's usually ready, and it's also kind of see-through-ish then on your hands. And then you apply it. Remember, you have to apply it not to your skin, but your hair. Go through every bit of directions. Make sure you get what you have. What you have in the palm of your hand. There you go. All right, and then you have some warm water, not so you burn yourself or anything. You add a bit of hand soap to get this off your fingers because it will stick. Also, a nice property of this is that when you go to sleep with it, it's not sticking on your pillow as well. So the next morning you actually go comb your hair once again. So, and then we go dry our hands thoroughly, so we have no greasiness, no stickiness. We have a comb. I have a white comb here. Then we go through. There you go. And yes, I need a haircut, so the side hairs here are kind of messing with me a bit. But yeah, that's basically it, and it will retain this throughout the day. Yeah, and I know this one up here It's kind of making a bit of a fuss if it turns out on camera, I don't know. But that's because I need a haircut, because my hair's quite long, where it should be short. There you go, that's nice. And that's how I do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you could use this video for something. Reauzel, great product. Bye bye.